Hi friends, this is Seema here again. I'm sorry I'm coming after a very long time, and but I've been preparing a few videos. This is a very quick video for those who want to make banners for their because we are all at home now, and you want to celebrate something, you want to decorate your room. Banners really can decorate and pop up a place very easily. So today I'm just going to show you a very simple and easy way to make a fishtail on banners, the flags. So what you need to do is you can choose colors, and this is for layered banners, right? So here I have just 3 colors of paper, and you don't need tools, believe me, you don't need this. All you need is a few cardstocks or thick papers. You can use regular scale, a scissor, a pencil, and a thread or a twine for the banner, for stringing it all along, and a glue, any glue that you're comfortable with, wet glue, dry glue, as long as it's strong, it should work for you. So the first thing, I am just for ease of doing this, I am going to take, for example, I'll take a 5 inches. If you're using the, this is how much, this is, width is 2 3/4, close to 2 3/4, right? So let me take 5 inches. If you're making a layered banner, what you really need to do is, or maybe 4 inches, it will be a small one. Right? Okay, finally I'm deciding on 4.5 inches. You just need to take this mark, make a straight line on that mark, and cut it off. There you go. So you really don't need anything. Next, take a 1/2 inch measurement. I have taken 4.5, so I take a 1/2 inch measurement. I mark it here. Small simple mark, and a small mark here at 1/2 inch. And then I try and fold it in a line, just like that. Right? Next, I can use this particular, oh sorry, I'm sitting on the floor and shooting this. Okay, just score it properly, and you don't need any special tools to do that. You can just use the back of your scale. So this becomes your first layer, which is now 4 inches tall and 2 3/4 wide. Now next piece should be a little bit different from this. So here I'm just going to show you how I normally would use this. Just taking a smaller piece. Okay. So I want to keep a 1/2 inch gap smaller. So 2 3/4. So this becomes 2 1/4. And 2 1/4, and then the length of this becomes, that was 4 inches, so this will be 3.5 inches, or maybe 3 1/4 inches. Okay, let's go at 3 1/4 inches. I'm going to show you just one piece. Okay, then the third piece will be, we went with the 2 1/4 inches, right? This was the 2 1/4 inches by 3.5 inches. So this will go another 1/2 inch back, so 2 1/4, so that is 1 3/4, and the length should be about 3/4 shorter, so 3 1/4 by, so 2.5, right? Let's go. So we have all our 3 pieces here, the ones that we cut earlier. Now we will layer these like this. This is how you make your layered fishtail banner. You want it all centered like this. Okay. Cool. So what we do is you attach this to a piece of twine. I'm just showing you one here, and I'll show you, I'll put a picture of a banner that I recently made. So I'm just showing you this video to make it easier for you, right? So there you go. You just apply some glue. This is all live, so no editing. I'm not planning to edit this video at all. Just wanted to give you this idea to make easy peasy banners for your room, for your birthday party, for any celebration, for Christmas. Now we want to cut the fishtail. So what we do when we are sticking these pieces, we make sure that we don't stick it at all the way through to the bottom. For that, what you need to do is just take a little glue and apply it, but don't go all the way to the bottom, right? Because we don't want to stick it all the one. It will also give that feeling of flying banners. And then you want to center it, all right? Right from the top, you want to center it as much as possible to the piece below it, right? So I've not added any glue on this area. Next come the other one. I take this piece, I apply glue here, but again I don't apply glue all the way to the bottom, right? I will take just this piece, and there you go. Now you want all your banners, the fishtails to go to one side, right? So the best way to do that is to find the center. We already know this is 2 3/4. So 2 3/4 will make how much? 1 5/8. So 2 3/4. So 1 inches, 2.5 inches, so 1 3/8. This is the center point. All you need to do is draw a simple, very light. Make sure you draw very light, or you can do it by hand, easily by hand as well. But then you want to go all the way down like that. Very lightly draw a line that goes all the way down. Next, you need to take your scissors. Now cut it up to this mark. Can you see this? You cut it to this mark. In the same way, you lift your cut this one to the point where it touches, and then again a 3/4 of an inch inside, because that's the width that we have left here. Next, you need to cut this to the center, which was 3/4 of an inch inside, and then go to the right, go to this one, cut it to the point where these two meet, like that, and then you cut it this side, the point that it meets here. Can you see this? Can you see? It's all even. You repeat the process on the other side. You go like take your scissor on the same angle that you've taken for the others, And there you go. Very quick and easy fishtail, layered fishtail is ready for you. And then it will also, you can curve up the edges as well, you know, if you want to give it a more fancier look, you can curve up the pieces. You can write your banner, whatever you want to write on top of this using pen, glitter, emboss it, whatever you want to do with it. And you can make a whole string. I'll leave a picture at the end of the video where I've used this technique to make a banner. And I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for such DIY videos. Very easy, simple to do, where you don't need many tools, and the simpler as in the complicated versions of making crafts, simple crafts. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. I hope you're keeping safe. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. See you soon.